Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the brand new MacBook Pro M2 Max. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is unbox our outer box. Okay, there is the inner box. So get rid of this guy. So I don't know if you happened to see my last video that I put out about switching to the MacBook Pro, but pretty excited. This is my very first Apple product. So let's get into the box and see what's inside. So again, I don't even know how you open these things. Oh, looks like some things to pull here. Okay, first sighting of the new laptop. I'll put that aside just for a moment and see what else comes in our box. I assume that's going to be our paperwork. So we got some paperwork and some stickers. So that's cool. We have our power brick. It's not too bad of a size either. I was afraid it was going to be huge, but it's a nice size. And then we've got our MagSafe cable that's color coded to go with the space gray. And that looks like it's basically it, guys. So we look at our computer here. Wow, and there it is. There you go, guys. The brand new Mac just started up as I opened it. It's saying hello. And it's probably going to need me to go in there and get it all set up. So there you go, guys. We've unboxed the new MacBook Pro M2 Max. It is the 16-inch space gray version. It does have 64 gigabytes of RAM and the 1 terabyte hard drive. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in, put all my information in, get set up on the laptop. I'm going to load up my video editing software because that, again, is what I'm going to be using this for mostly. If you are interested in seeing a review on this computer, I do plan on doing a full review in 2 weeks time, in and about that, depending on how long it takes me to get comfortable with the whole Mac world, and I don't want to rush anything. So if you are interested in seeing a detailed review from a video editor perspective, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with everything coming out on this channel. Thanks for watching today's video, everyone. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.